If grating cheese leaves your hands sore and your counter a mess, I found the fix. This was sent to me and I couldn't wait to show you how it solved both of those problems. I've been using a manual grater forever. It's messy, the cheese goes everywhere, and after a few minutes my hands are done. This rotary grater changed my entire prep routine. One hand crank, smooth, effortless every single time. The blades are 430 stainless steel, durable and sharp enough to cut through anything quickly. Watch how clean and uniform this cheese comes out. And the feeding part keeps your fingers completely away from the blades. Swap the blade, load your potato, same effortless motion. Perfect for potato chips, curly fries, or hash browns. And frozen butter. Look at that. Clean, thin slices with zero effort. The base locks right in place. No sliding, no chasing across the counter. Assembly is straightforward and intuitive. And when you're done, it disassembles in seconds and stores compactly. No more bulky tools taking over your drawer. Meal prep should feel easy, not like a workout. This little tool genuinely made my kitchen routine calmer and cleaner. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it.